Hello kids, how are you today? Today we are going to see lesson 22. In the previous 21 lessons, we have seen more than 30 sounds in the English language. Today we are going to see long I. But if you haven't seen the previous lessons already, I suggest you do so. So let's start with long I. Long I sounds much like the letter itself. I. Try with me. I. Like other long vowel sounds, this sound is also made by a combination of different letters. Let's see some of these. So when you see an I, a few consonants and an E in the end, that makes long I sound. Like this. Bike. Bike. Right. Can you think of another example? Mile. Correct. Mile. Another way to make a long I sound is when a word starts with an I. Like this. Item. Item. Can you think of another word? Right. Iron. Yes. Another combination is when you have IGH together. It could be in the middle or in the end of the word. Like this. Bright. Correct. Another example could be high. Then we have and I and E making a long I sound. So you could have some consonants, I and E, and then some consonants again. Or the IE could be at the end of the word, like this. Pie. Right. Can you think of another example? Fried. Correct. Lastly, sometimes when a word ends with a Y, that makes a long I sound. Like this. My. Can you think of something? Right. Dry. Good job. Now let's see some examples with pictures. But remember kids, you need to practice a lot more words with the long I sound to be able to identify it quickly. Let's get started. Dice. Dice. Fire. Fire. Pile. Pile. Item. Item. Iron. Iron. Light. Light. Sigh. Sigh. Pie. Pie. Flies. Flies. Shy. Shy. Cry. Cry. Great job! So now you know how to recognize long I sound. Like I said, you need to practice more on your own because only practice makes a person perfect. We will meet in the next lesson to see long O sound. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.